Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 right clicks keeps loading problem. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root, click and expand directory, click and expand background. Click and expand shell EX, click and expand context menu handlers. Delete all keys except new and work folders. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.